fight. It's gonna be a fight to the end, all power that big brain.
Here are you, One Bill. Well, One Bill, you up in my radio, my brother. And that's what I'm doing. I'm rolling with the flow. That's for sure enough real. What's going on, One Bill? Been a while on that cat nicking in. Hey, One Bill, Mr. Nice and Nasty in Pasadena got down.
Don Mike ain't gonna fight you. Hey, you know Don Mike ain't gonna cuss, and he's not gonna fight you. All power 766 in the bushes got down.
Yeah, I heard you, I did, man. Well, you know, I had Wizard Man out there rolling fives on me, because I heard old Big Al over there in Mississippi say something, then somebody cut his cat making lips off at my cat making radio, man, so I didn't really get the five that Wizard rolled on that cat
All power pushing for a fight. I'm looking at the Buckeye. I tell him he's pushing for a fight.
making love.
All power 766, so he might hear you, that big brain.
Mr. One Bill, Mr. Worldwide.
Boy, all power. Well, anyway, I got all you say is all I got. But Dynamite is over.
He won't take a whooping here long.
He Dynamite is over. All power. I'm going to the paperwork. I'll be back.
Run real fast if he can. Hide his head. That's what Wizard will do. Hey, One Bill in Texas. Wizard will find a great big old bed and hide his head. Spoke in.
Well, Dynamite retired. He retired from Caterpillar. Hey, all power. Dynamite retired from Caterpillar. He ain't got to hit a lick of a snake, that big brain.
Put him on that end, man. You know something? I take my licking and keep on ticking, man. One way or the other. One Bill in Texas. Mr. Worldwide. Nice and Nasty is right back like a beggar.
I'm going back to my paperwork. Hey, all power. I'm going back to my paperwork. I'm looking at the Buckeye. But Dynamite ain't got to work. He retired from Caterpillar. He ain't got to hit a lick of a snake, that brain.
You got that right, man. You know, we always have these intelligent conversations about the ducks on the Cat Making 11-meter band, man. How they treat the Cat Making airway. Hey, One Bill, I kind of love it on this Cat Making here, man. Cause I know they all spend them grand big old dollars, and a Cat Making like you and I come out here with these small little stations and start slapping them around rotates, and they be looking, they be scratching their head trying to wonder what's going on. What's going on? Mr. Worldwide, Nice and Nasty got that hell on them, don't you?
Latest toy I got off of eBay. Put the noise limiter on. Tram Titan 1. It's AM only. No SSB. And 23 channel. Receive off the VFO. Or you can put in one crystal for the receive. And 23 channel transmit. Not impossible, but it's hard to modify these for extra channels. You got to mod the VFO and you got to mod the crystals. And the way this radio is set up is not easy to do. Not impossible, but pretty much not worth it. And part of the thing about this radio with the excellent receive it has is it's not wideband. It's not made to be, you know, wideband, meaning have all them frequencies and channels, you know, 100 channels wide or 150 channels. It's not made for that. You know, it's a 23 channel radio, and it'll do maybe 30 channels, and you try to go past that and you just start losing it because how narrow this thing is as far as the extra frequencies. We bought this on eBay not too long ago because we got it for a decent price, and we thought it was, you know, it's not mint, nothing like that, but You know, considering this radio was probably made in the 60s, it's like a 60-year-old radio, 50, 60-year-old radio, and I thought it looked pretty good. I wish they wouldn't have wrote, you know, and scratched the tube numbers and stuff in there, but you know, people do what they do. And inside it had a lot of foolishness going on inside that we had to undo. It looked like somebody tried to wideband the audio and didn't know what they were doing. They had you know, caps going to the wrong terminal strip, and you know, went to ground things and they didn't hit the ground. They missed the wrong terminal or missed the ground. You know, it looked like a ground but it wasn't, and stuff like that we had to undo with this thing. But after we undid it, replaced a couple tubes and put in a few caps, away it went. We're gonna show it underneath right quick, hopefully. And that's what it looks like underneath. Like I say, it ain't matte. And some of the caps in there I left in there, and some bad soldering on a few. We touched up some, but to some they were okay. We just kind of left it like it is. But as you can hear, everything's, you know, working. The tone on this and the audio on the receiver, this thing is just beautiful. I haven't tried talking to my locals yet on it and see what it sounds like, but we're gonna key it down right quick. We on channel 13. We ain't making no noise anyway. And 20 watt scale, dead key in 3. Hello, audio, talking about just a little bit of forward swing on average. Whistling to just under 7. Yeah, you get that pop with these trams. That gets annoying after a while, but there's a fix for that, but it's kind of complicated, so I kind of leave mine factory, and you will get that pop, that thunk. And lastly, that's going to put it on peak right quick. Audio. It's keeping it down to about 9 watts or so. It's still got the limiters and stuff in there. We didn't, you know, cut all that out so to swing like crazy. Because close to factory, this thing just has a beautiful tone and audio and sound to it. So that's going to be it for this Tram Titan 1 in nice shape. Might hang on to this one a while. I like it. Alright, bye.